How to install an SSL certificate on Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on installing an SSL certificate on Hostinger, a popular web hosting service. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to secure your website with an SSL certificate, which is essential for protecting your visitors' data and establishing trust with your online presence. To begin, log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the SSL/TLS section. You'll see a list of available SSL certificates, including free and paid options. Choose the SSL certificate you want to install and click on the Install button. Next, select the domain or subdomain you want to secure with the SSL certificate. Make sure to choose the correct domain or subdomain to avoid any issues with your website's functionality. Once you've selected the domain or subdomain, click on the Install button to start the installation process. Hostinger will then generate a certificate signing request, CSR, and send it to a trusted certificate authority, CA, for verification. After the verification process is complete, Hostinger will issue the SSL certificate, which will be installed on your website. You can then configure your website to use the SSL certificate by updating your DNS settings or using a plugin like SSL Manager. To confirm that the SSL certificate is installed correctly, you can check your website's SSL status in the Hostinger control panel, or use a tool like SSL Labs to test your website's security. By following these steps, you can easily install an SSL certificate on Hostinger and protect your website from security threats. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next video.